Hi guys, today I'm at Labrador Jetty and I'll be using the Apollo Wig with T-knot to catch some fishes. I'll be using the CUT Tamban Bait. If you have been watching my videos but have not subscribed to my channel, please support my channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Thank you. This is the Apollo wig that I'm using, so I tied 2 T-knots. Using a T-knot will help to prevent the tangle between the hook line and the wig itself. And I'm using a 20-gram sinker. This part you tie on to your main line. The top of the tamban is the flash where we will be using. The bottom part is the gut. So we'll hook onto the top part which is more firm. This is how I cut the tamban. So you cut off the head first. Then you cut the flesh into smaller pieces. Not too big, depending on hook size you use. If you're using a bigger hook, then you need a bigger chunk of the tamban. But for me, I'm using a small hook, so not too big, around this size. Then you hook on the top part of the tamban. We cast the line as far as possible. Then we slowly reel back to find the fishes. Then when you feel nibbling, make sure you tighten the line and set hook. Sometimes the fish nibble and the bait is eaten, so you need to retrieve it back to change the bait. It's best to tie a few more Apollo wig as a spare in case the fish bites off. So pufferfish, the teeth quite sharp, they can bite off your line.